stuff. You might think that's water coming out of her nose. Well, it's not.
For attention, please.
So not a lot has changed inside of the launch bay, but I did want to show you some of the artwork. Obviously, that is part of pt.2 here in Galaxy's Edge. Like I said, a lot of this has been here before. I just find a lot of the artwork fascinating. I like this one. I really like that one.
This one?
Yeah. Alright, now I'm posting
And of course, this has been here forever. And it's only 9,000. 9,000 and you can have this statue of a stormtrooper. Let's check out some pins before we just head back out. Don't want to spend too much time in here since a lot of it has remained the same. Do you guys remember this? This big old box. See if I can open it. Those 4 little guys. Do you remember how much it is? It ain't cheap. I remember that much. Will it focus? No? $70. $70 for those 4. Let's see what else we got. More pictures, some autographs. Alright, just a couple more. Let's keep moving down here. And lastly, so I guess we will finish a $550 Ray. So look what Ashley found over here in Tomorrowland.
So it's actually a full orange.
So it's a full orange just sliced up. Well, that's convenient. Plus, what else did you find? You found Baby Bell. You have grapes, which she has already discovered. Then you have
Pickle, spicy pickle.
spicy too. What makes it so like spicy? Turmeric maybe?
You got the,
And then your normal.
well, they had cut. Look at those green things, guys. Come on, help me out. It's green. Cucumber. I got it.
Cucumber is the other thing that was there.
Wonder what those little. It's just a pickle.
Oh, that's true. Cucumber is just a pickle. Just a pickle is a pickled cucumber, right?
Yeah, something like that.
seguridad. Permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cohete. Cuide a los pequeños pilotos. Gracias.
I love those shirts, but they're a little too expensive. They're really, really cool. I've always wanted a Disney Hawaiian, I don't care if it's Tommy Bahama, just a Disney Hawaiian shirt. But that's too expensive.
We've made our way to the ancient Cambodian shrines, old ancient Cambodian Shriners. Over here we have a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. These tigers are said to be able to jump over 25 feet, but don't worry, we're only 15 feet away. He would leap right over us. And it's also said that he can jump higher than a tree. Yeah, trees can't jump. Looks like we're here in the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants now. What an amazing sight to see. It looks like the whole herd is here. Wow, that's unheard of. If you'd like to take pictures, go right ahead. These elephants aren't modest, they're wearing their trunks for you. Over here we have Bertha. You might think that's water coming out of her nose. Well, it's not. Alright, well, looks like there's an elephant coming up in the water, too. Okay, he's aiming right at us. Yeah, I don't want to get wet on this journey. I'm sure you don't either. Don't worry. He went down. Oh, he's coming up. Okay, stuck in the back. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. Little dry humor. I would never leave you in anything. Foreshadowing. Looks like our safari camp has been completely taken over by apes. You know, I think these girls that stop mucking around, it can really hurt someone. I mean, a gorilla with a gun. No, a gorilla with a gun, we better make like a banana split. And that's not much of this. So right now I'd like to point out a few of my favorite plants. And there's one. There's another. That's one too. Over here on the left-hand side, we have the tall bamboo. Some people say it can grow up to 6 stories tall. I say 7. But that's a whole other story. Right now we're turning down the Nile River of Africa, the longest river in Africa. Really, it just goes on for Niles. Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're probably in denial. Over here on the left-hand side, we have a rare African bull elephant. You know, these elephants are so rare, I doubt you'd ever see one in your life again. Over here on the right-hand side, we have a rare African bull elephant. You know, these elephants, you'd never see one in your life again. Amazing. Now, we're entering the Great African Belt now. Home to some of the most beautiful wildlife in the jungle. Looks like some animals came out for us today. Yeah, we've got some gazelles hiding in the back, some giraffes, a couple of zebras, some vultures too. But would you look at that? That package line, sleeping the zebra. Wow. with a rhino. That's why it's not something you see every day. Every 7 minutes. Early in our trip, I pointed out a few of my favorite plants here in the jungle. This time, I'd like to name a few. Alright, that one's Ryan. Ryan. Brian. Looks like I made the wrong turn though. We're now watching a dangerous bull hippopotami, but don't worry, these hippopotami are only said to be dangerous if you see them wiggling their ears or blowing bubbles. Yeah, this isn't good. Maybe I should scare them off. Everybody cover your ears. Oh, would you look at that? I scared him stiff. Yeah, you're lucky I'm so brave. We better get out of here in case they come back up, but we're not out of the jungle just yet. You can tell we're still surrounded by trees. Up ahead, it looks like some of the locals put their heads together to create some beautiful arts and crafts. Arts on top, and the crafts of the rest. Here's some of the locals now. Looks like they're celebrating something. Let me see if I can translate for you. Nope. But these locals are known for ambushing boats, so they're ambushing. Everybody get down! Spear noise, spear noise. Folks, if anyone wants to stay with a spear, please pull it out and throw it back. Not allowed to keep souvenirs. And here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for, the 8th wonder of the world. Everybody give it up for the backside of water. Backside of water. Oh, too late. Oh, too late. Oh, too. Here we have the front side of rock. Yeah, I like to point out that limestone because a lot of people take it for granted. Yeah, my sediments exactly. You know, I could have been bolder with that joke. I thought it was marvelous, concrete, rock solid, a real gem, a diamond in the rough. You guys look jaded. Should I get off on a clean slate? Never mind. Here's one of us. We have a giant snake hanging in a tree. A giant says I-N-G. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. And it sounds like a pretty constricting relationship to me. Here we have Old Trader Sam. He is our head salesman of the jungle, accompanied by Ellie, his newest best companion. Does anybody know what kind of elephant Ellie is? No, she's a baby elephant. Yeah. Fun fact about elephants, well, they can grow up to 4 feet, whereas humans, they can only grow up to 2. Alright, well, you guys just survived the world famous jungle cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. This is the most dangerous part of our journey, though, the return to civilization. Please remain seated with your hands and arms inside the boat. Parents, watch the children. Today's cruise is brought to you by Animal Crackers. Animal Crackers, yeah. Teaching children all around the world that every animal tastes the same.
Jubilant Jr. visited the Chamber of Earthly Riches. Looks like his allowance has gone up. Solid recently visited the Observatory of the Future. Maybe he can tell us who will win the World Series. Keep your eye on the globe.
You know, we were gonna go eat, but sticking to our #1 Disney rule, when Pirates is a walk-on, you ride it. Oh my gosh. This is the Dead Cadence Haunted Mansion 50th Anniversary funnel cake. This, yeah, I don't even know where to begin.